Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to insert columns and rows in Google Sheets. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sheets, or you're a beginner or even a first timer in using the software, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Now, let us get started with the tutorial itself. Now, before we proceed with anything else, I want you to make sure that the Google Chrome you're using or the browser that you're using to open Google Sheets is currently up to date, as it will allow us to avoid any unexpected errors that we might encounter along the way. Now, as you can see right here on my Google Sheets file, we actually have a set of numerical value that has different, let's say for example, currencies. We got merge cells, we got different worksheets, renamed worksheets, copy worksheets. We got formulas right over here, and if you are wondering how to do all of those things, we actually have a dedicated playlist compiling all the Google Sheets and even Google Docs tutorial on our YouTube channel, so please be sure to check it out. But today's tutorial, we will focus on how you can easily insert rows and columns in Google Sheets, and it's actually quite simple and it will make your life easier. Now, to insert a column, all we have to do is to click on an active cell in which we would like to insert a column above it. Let's say for example this one, and then right click on active cell, and as you can see, it will give us tons of options to choose from. We can insert a row above it or a column to the left. Let's try row first. Click on this one, and as you can see, this whole data will move by one cell because we have inserted a row above it. Now, if we want to insert a column to the left of it, all we have to do is to right click on it again and then click on insert one column to the left. We got different options here: insert cells and shift right. So you can see it will shift the cell to the right side. We even got insert cells and shift down, and as you can see, it will shift it down. And as simple as that, we can insert columns and rows in Google Sheets itself, making our lives easier and our work convenient. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.